Hi guys, after a long time, a 30 years old female come to Dhaka due to severe abdominal pain. He do some ultrasonogram from a rural area, but nothing significant is found. When the patient came to me, I scanned at the level of liver. I found the gallbladder is grossly distended, but wall is almost normal. So there is no cause of cholecystitis. It seems that something obstructed the neck or biliary duct. Then I concentrated on common bile duct. What I find, look at the lower tubular structure is portal vein and upper tubular structure is CBD. And within the CBD there is a tubular structure within the CBD. Okay, within that tubular structure, CBD is dilated and there is a tubular structure holding. Somewhere there is a there is holding within the CBD, and the extent up to left hepatic duct, extend up to left hepatic duct. Okay, so it is a case of biliary ascariasis noted in the common bile duct that causes a severe pain, jaundice, etc. Thank you.